Everyone and good afternoon to all of you. Today we have problem which name is count number of homogeneous substrings. Leetcode 1759 problem. Before going forward in this video, please make sure that you have liked and subscribed to this channel, and also it's my advice to all of you that please read the problem carefully and try to build up the intuition in your mind and try to do the code also. It will be beneficial for you, and if you just see this video and do the code, it will not be beneficial. Okay, so see the video. If you are a beginner, okay, then you will stuck at any point, some means definitely you will stuck. Okay, then see this video, then you can clear your doubts. Okay, so do the code. So let's read the problem. The problem is saying that we have given a string and we have to return the number homogeneous substrings of S. Since the answer may be too large, so we have to modulo. A string is homogeneous. This is the definition of homogeneity. This if a homogeneous if all the characters of the strings are the same. Okay, we know this. A string is a contiguous sequence of characters within a string. So basically दिया क्या है अपने को कि अपने पास string है, तो हमको homogeneous जो उसके strings बनेंगे उसका count return करना है. Basically, let's see the example. This is our example. So we can see here A is coming three times, but A is not coming, means A is coming separately. So first A is coming, then V is coming, then C is coming, now A is coming. Okay. So we can see if my new string length is 1, so it can appear three times. 1, 1, 1. If my new string length is 2, then it can appear only one time because the maximum contiguous string is 1. So it can appear only one time. Let's take the string B. If my new string length is 1, then it can appear two times because the number of count of B character is 2. Okay. If my new string length is 2, then it can also appear one time. Okay. So it's same like this. So let's see the intuition and approach part for this. So as you can see, we have an example AA, BB, then triple C. So the count of C is 3. The number of times C is coming, basically count. Okay. So C is coming 3 times. So how many substrings we can made by using this C? We can, if my new string length is 1, so we can make C separate. Okay. If my new string length is 2, then we can make CC. Now C is coming only one time, so my new string length, another new string length can be 1, and then it will be CC, then again C. Then if I take whole string, then it will be triple C. Okay. So let's say count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now 6 will be our answer. So we know the number, how to find the number of substrings, means homogeneous substrings. We have formula n into n plus 1 by 2. It is a PNC formula actually, permutation and combination formula. So it will be 3 into 4 by 2. Now it will be 6. Okay. So these are the substrings. Okay, let's see the example AA, BB, and 4 times C is coming 4 times. So the number of characters of A is 2. So try to put this in this formula. So it will be 2 into 3 by 2. Now it will be 3. Okay. So A is, if my new string length is 1, so it will be A. Then again, if my new string length is 2, then it will be AA. It is same like this. So let's do the code so that we can understand properly. Okay. So in this, what I will do, I have defined the size, I have defined the log int because it can be out of the bound. Okay, so that's why I am taking a log int. So I have to return the answer. So I have to make this variable int log answer equals to 0. Now what I will do, I'll traverse the whole string for int I equals to 0 to I less than s dot size, then I plus plus. So now I will check. I will take a character from the strings. So int char equals to ch. So char ch, sorry, char ch equals to s of I. नाउ आई विल चेक जब तक मेरी स्ट्रिंग्स में वो कैरेक्टर सेम आएगा, means it is like while my character is same, okay, then I increase the count. So let's take a variable long count care equals to 0. Now what I will do, I will initialize a loop while loop, and I will check if s dot size, sorry, I should be less than s dot size, and I'll check if s of I equals to cs. It is like same like this. If a is coming two times, if I am on is a, then I will check the next character. It is same, so I will increase the count. So it will have two. So what I will do in this, I'll increase the count of the character, count char plus plus, and I will increase the index of that character, so I plus plus. So we can remove from this because we have increased the count of characters here. Okay. So now what I will do, I will apply that formula n into n plus 1 by 2 so that we can find the number of substrings, homogeneous substrings. So how we can apply that formula? Answer plus equals to count care. Let's copy this count care and into n plus 1 by 2. So count care into count care plus 1 by 2. This should be whole thing by 2. So let's take the mod of this whole thing, mod. So this is done. Now what I will do, I have to return our answer. So finally we can return answer with modulo. Okay, answer modulo mod. So this is our final code. Let's run this code. We did not define our modulo, na? So let's define this int mod equals to 1e9 plus 7. Now again run this code. Yeah, it is working perfect. Let's submit this. So as you can see, it is working perfect. In this code, we are not taking any space. So space complexity will be go over. Now time complexity will be big of n, or you can comment. Okay, here is a difference in time complexity. B will not take this loop because it is at the time complexity will be big of n, because we will not consider this is a loop because it is not traversing the whole strings. It is just checking the characters. If the next character is same as the previous character, then it will increase the count. Okay, so it is not traversing the whole of loop. Okay, so that time complexity will be go fan. Okay, so if you find this helpful, then please like, share, and subscribe. And if you know another approach, so there can be another approaches also. So please comment those approaches. Okay.